In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send DocuSign to multiple signers in DocuSign. By the end, you'll have one document sent out to several people with the correct signing order and the right fields assigned to each signer. First, log into DocuSign. On the home dashboard, you'll see the option to start a new sending workflow. Click New, then click Send an Envelope. This opens the envelope setup where you'll add your file and your recipients. Now, upload your document. Click Upload, select your file from your computer, and wait for it to finish loading. You'll see a thumbnail or file name appear, confirming the document is attached to the envelope. Next, add the first recipient's name and email. In the Recipient section, click into the name field and type the signer's full name, then enter their email address. This is where DocuSign knows who will receive the document to sign. Click Add Recipient for each additional signer. Each time you click it, a new row appears. Type the next signer's name and email, and repeat until all signers are listed. Take a moment to double-check spelling here. If an email is incorrect, that person won't receive the envelope. Set signing order if needed. If you want people to sign one after another, assign numbers to each recipient so the first signer is 1, the second is 2, and so on. If everyone can sign at the same time, give them the same order number. See, this controls who gets the document first and helps avoid confusion or conflicting edits. Don't worry, you can change these numbers now before sending. From here, you'll place the fields each person needs to complete. DocuSign opens the tagging screen with your document on the right and a toolbar of fields on the left. At the top, make sure you're assigning fields to the correct signer. There's a recipient selector that shows each person, often color-coded. Select the first signer's name so any fields you add belong to them. Drag and drop a signature field to the spot where they need to sign. Place a date. Signed field next to it if the document requires a date. If the signer needs to enter information, drag a text field to the appropriate line. Move and resize fields as needed so they sit cleanly on the page and are easy to read. Now, switch the recipient selector to the next signer. Repeat the process. Drag their signature, date signed, and any text fields to the correct locations. Make sure each field shows the right signer's color or name. If you see a field assigned to the wrong person, click it and change the Assigned To setting so there's no confusion later. Continue assigning fields for each additional signer. Scroll through every page to confirm that all required spots are covered. If the document has multiple signature lines, verify that each line has a signature field and that each one is assigned to the correct person. At this point, it's normal to pause and zoom in to check alignment and field placement so nothing overlaps with the document text. Once that's done, look over the recipient list at the top to confirm the order and the emails one last time. Small mistakes here can delay completion, so a quick check helps avoid resending. If you set a signing order, you'll see the numbers next to each name. If everyone can sign in parallel, they'll share the same number. When everything looks correct and every signer has all necessary fields, click Send. DocuSign will deliver the envelope according to the order you set. The first signer will receive an email right away, and each subsequent signer will get their turn automatically after the previous person completes their part. If you set parallel signing, everyone will receive it at the same time. That's it. You've successfully sent a DocuSign document to multiple signers in DocuSign with the correct recipients, order, and fields in place, and the envelope is now in progress. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.